In the last 30 days, we have scaled a store from $0 to $100,000 in sales and then sold the entire brand for another $60K in pure profit. In this video, I'm going to show you literally everything. Product, the store, the viral TikTok videos, and our strategy for selling stores and exiting brands. And before I show you the TikTok and Instagram account and all the viral videos, I want to show you why the conversion rate and average order value is so high. So let's first jump into the website before I show you the accounts. This is the product right here. You basically upload a picture of you and your loved one and put in your names, and then you get a Lego stature of the person you've uploaded. Very simple but amazing product. So very first of all, this whole store is owned by one of our clients, William. And before I actually show you how we actually helped him to go viral on TikTok and make these sales, let me actually first walk you through the numbers themselves. This whole store is purely organic and it has a conversion rate of 1.8%, which is very high for an average order value of $100. This is a very solid conversion rate, and let me refresh so you actually see it's real. So yeah, this store to this day, every single day, is making a few $1,000s very consistently. If we take a look, it's 4K here. Yesterday I think was pretty low, but it's still 1.3K. I think you get the point, and let me break down why the conversion rate and the average order value is so high. So if we take a look at the store itself, there's a few reasons for this doing this great. Let's start from the very top. The picture here is extremely good. Like, I don't know if you catch this or not, but this picture right here is perfect. Like, everything about these pictures is just yelling how great this product is. It just directly showcases what this product does. You have this GIF right here, which again showcases perfectly what the product is, and you instantly understand everything. Okay. The second thing is you have the single, the couple, and the 3 people version. This is something I recommended him, and his average order value increased instantly when I did, because these things are just obvious upsells. And this is one of these things which is just going to magically make you more money from every single sale. The next thing I told him is adding pre-selected checkboxes. These here made a lot of money, okay? And the reason for that is they're already pre-checked on and they all make sense. A display box, a gift box, and an engraved name, and you can enter your name here. All of these 3 upsells make perfect sense, and an amateur dropshipper would include them in the product itself. Like, the baseline product has all these things included. It comes in a box already, right? However, because we're smart with it, you take your product and you break it up into parts and basically start upselling the rest. And this is where you make a lot of extra money. And because it's already pre-checked on, the path of least resistance is just clicking on add to cart right away, and you just have them. Pre-checked on checkboxes make a significant difference versus not pre-checked on ones. Also, in general, if you ask yourself why the store just looks so clean and beautiful, well, it's because we're using the shrine theme. The shrine theme is extremely good, and it's by far my favorite theme. I'm not going to put any affiliate link below this video, so you can trust me here, but I actually love this theme. Now, one more reason for the high conversion rate is that the before-after effect of the thing is really good, because all these Lego statues actually do look exactly like the picture, and it's just very convincing that the outcome is going to be very similar to what you actually look like or how your loved one looks like. Now let's jump into the TikTok and Instagram account. As you can see here, it only has 13K followers on TikTok and 5,000 followers on Instagram. All right, this is not a crazy big account or anything. However, it still managed to make so much money because it's just so high converting. And let me just show you one of the videos so you can understand why this did so well. All right, so what is so good about this? Well, first of all, the hook is amazing. It's basically just a crying girl, emotional sound, and a good text hook. And this all fits really well. It's just a stupid Lego set from your 3-year-old daughter. First of all, this is good because it directly speaks to mothers, and it also has an open loop. What stupid Lego set are we even talking about here? So you have to keep watching to understand it. Then obviously it looks super emotional, and here for like 4 or 5 seconds, you actually build up tension before you show the product. Then you open it up, have the picture, and then the Lego thing, okay? Super good concept, and what we did here with William is just repeat, repeat, repeat. This video right here was done over and over and over and over and over again, okay? We just didn't stop doing them, and it worked like wonders. We posted them everywhere, and these were the best videos, the most viral ones, the highest converting, etc. In general, this product basically works the best for two niches, either mothers or couples. This is generally the best audience. So there was also a few videos which targeted couples, but overall this was how it worked. And let me show you one example which was targeted for couples. What was also done great here is it's almost like a little activity the couple can do together and like building it together. So that also added a layer of like interest into it. And this is just something which worked even better for the couples niche than the mother's niche because of this like interesting activity they could do together, which was part of the gift itself. So as you can see, nothing here is super complicated. Everything is very clean. It's a perfect product. Everything about this is perfect. The first time I saw this product, I was instantly like, William, this is a winner. This is a perfect product. Go for this 100%. And he just crushed it with it. Now the 100K were made around 50% margins, 50K, okay, in 1 month. And now on top of that, what we did is we found William a guy who actually was interested in buying his store. He bought the store and he made an additional $60,000 in pure profit. This is something which nobody's doing in the entire space because nobody knows how to do it, okay? We have a few really powerful connections to people who basically sell stores for you, and we just connect you to them and they are able to sell your store. It is as simple as that. And then you free up your time, made a bunch of money, and you can work on the next thing, sell it again. And this is why this model works so well. And by the way, you always have two options when selling the store. Either you make a bunch of money for a month, 2, 3, 4 months, and you sell the store then for like anywhere between $30,000 and $100,000. Or you actually build a long-term brand, and then you're actually going to be able to sell it for multiple 6 figures, and in some cases even 7 figures. These big exits are obviously not going to be done from a little store flip like this one. It's more of building a proper brand with like a lot of value in it, and it's very clear that this brand is going to keep working for the next years, and then you sell it for like $1 million, $2 million. This is also something which can be done, but it's much more advanced, and you have to make a few $1 million before you even think about it. Now, the only problem with selling stores is it's almost impossible to find a buyer for these smaller stores. And it took us a while until we found these connections, but we have them now, and they just know the entire market space and can just directly find you a buyer. This is also one of these things which is only going to be available in our program, and it's the same thing as picking products for you. There's a few simple things you will instantly get when you join our program, like for example, we pick products for you. The value you just get from that is insane. On top of that, we review your videos, we get you your content up to this level, and then we just connect you with somebody who buys the store and they buy it, and that's it. And I assume you've been seeing my content for a while now. Every single week we're posting a new case study with a new client. We've done things which nobody in the space is doing. We are consistently showing our results as well. And if you want to join the program, you can click the link below, sign up for a call. We're going to see if everything is a good fit. We're going to teach you the entire process in one-on-one calls directly, and you're going to be able to scale stores like this one as well. Click the link below and I will talk to you very soon.